Vertical Trading House is a modern and dynamically developing enterprise. Starting its activity in 2002, the company has established itself as a reliable supplier of warehouse equipment and machinery. Vertical Trading House has representative offices in Moscow, St. Petersburg, Kazan, Ekaterinburg, Krasnodar, Samara, Novosibirsk, Perm, Krasnoyarsk, and Omsk. The number of branches annually increases. The company's goal is to cover every region of Russia. The fields of activity of Vertical Trading House include sale of warehouse equipment, service and spare parts sales, renting of equipment, designing and realization of wrecking equipment, provision of logistics services with our own fleet of vehicles. The main principles of our work are a comprehensive approach in fulfillment of undertaken obligations and exceeding expectations, both qualitatively and on time. As an official representative of the Chinese brand Hangcha, Vertical Trading House offers a wide range of warehouse equipment in stock and on order. Hangcha Group Company has been a manufacturer of modern and reliable lifting equipment since 1956. The leader among world brands of warehouse equipment. The warehouse complex of Vertical Trading House has over 1,000 units of forklift trucks. The range of the company's products includes forklifts, stackers, reach trucks, pallet conveyors, scissor elevators, side loaders, tractors, reach stackers, and electric platforms. We offer warehouse equipment with lifting capacity up to 48 tons and lifting height up to 17 meters with electric drive or with engine system. Hangcha warehouse technology combines important performance, smart design, ergonomics, reliable components, and reasonable price. Even high-quality equipment needs timely, expert service to ensure trouble-free operation. The Service Center Vertical is a team of professionals which provides competent diagnosis, warranty support, maintenance, and repair. The equipment of the stationary repair base allows performing works of any complexity level. Vertical Trading House has 11 repair boxes. More than 70 certified specialists, and 42 mobile workshops for servicing at the customer's territory promptly and qualitatively. More than 12,000 of nomenclature positions of spare parts are stored in the warehouse of Trading House Vertical. The company carries out direct deliveries of original parts, tires, and attachments from special equipment manufacturers. We offer a huge range of spare parts in stock, assistance in selection, favorable terms of purchase, and delivery anywhere in Russia. In the absence of a need for constant equipment operation, we offer rental. The rental park of Vertical Trading House includes more than 350 warehouse equipment units. All equipment is in excellent condition and available at short notice. Cooperation with our company provides full outsourcing of services, delivery of machinery to the client, professional operators, maintenance, and supply of consumables. We select transport precisely for your tasks and guarantee equipment replacement in case of breakdown. Vertical Trading House is a reliable supplier of braking systems and equipment. We offer professional measuring, designing, optimizing, delivery, assembly, disassembly, diagnostics, and repair. The range includes frontal racks, mezzanine, cantilever, staffed, medium weight and archive racks, self-supporting warehouses, and metal furniture. Products are delivered directly from the factory. Most components are available in stock at our warehouse. The Vertical Trading House has more than 3,000 projects at different complexity levels. SMC Vertical Quality Management System GmbH has its own test shop, which performs full technical certification and statistical testing of equipment in accordance with the requirements of acting GOST standards. Our own transport company Vertical Logistic makes it possible to deliver cargo all over Russia and near abroad countries. Our fleet of vehicles includes vehicles of different lengths and carrying capacity. We deliver cargo to the endpoint safely and reliably, in compliance with traffic rules and etiquette. Freight prices are fixed without any additional charges. We can be trusted the most precious cargo. Vertical Trading House today is a range of services that allows you to organize storage facilities on a turnkey basis. The company does not rest on its laurels and is in constant search of effective solutions in storage and logistics. Our advantages: an extensive network of branches, a wide range of warehousing equipment available and on order, original components and spare parts, authorized service, new and productive fleet of equipment for rent, transportation services by own truck fleet, flexible financing programs, comprehensive approach to customer needs. Well-coordinated teamwork allows us to do the work qualitatively and on time, deserving respect and loyalty of the customers.